Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you 7 top issues you can expect to discuss in premarital coaching. I'm Dr. Samir Vyas from the Sacred Vows and I conduct premarital coaching classes. Are you curious about premarital coaching? I am here to share everything you can expect to discuss if you decide to sit down with an expert pre-marriage coach before your big day. From defining marriage expectations to determining whether both of you are on the same page about various topics. No question is off limits. Think of it this way: the more you know about your significant other, the better your marriage will be. So the first topic that I am going to discuss today is define your marriage expectations and roles. You may have one idea of what marriage looks like and what it means to be a partner, and yet you can be blissfully unaware that your soon-to-be spouse feels very differently. In marriage coaching, you will uncover what you each believe about marriage. You will define what is the purpose of marriage, what are your duties and what are your rights in the marriage. You will talk about what each person expects the other to do and be, as well as how each of you sees the structure and the function of the marriage. For example, for him, marriage may be all about him being the bread earner and she being the housewife, like what he has seen in his parents. However, she has her own career ambitions. Indian culture believes marriage to be sacred. Therefore, my approach is to give you the vision of that sacredness of marriage. We have 4 objectives in marriage. Dharma, which is values, shared values, living a life of values. Artha is the security and finance. Kama is all pleasures and rasas, including sex. And finally, moksha, which is liberation. Each of the 4 is interlinked and interwoven to lead the married couple to the final goal of self-realization and total fulfillment in life. The second topic is to analyze how your past affects your future. We all have biases, prejudices, judgmental opinions. We see people through situations of our own lenses, and that bias and prejudice is because of our own past, our own experiences in our life. And premarital coaching will ask you to dig deep inside yourself and revisit your own impressions. It is important to talk through your backgrounds because of psychological projection, which is the term that means we project qualities and recreate dynamics from old relationships into new ones. And this is usually an unconscious process. Talking about them allows people to make more conscious, healthy choices and relate in healthier ways. Now coming to the third topic, resolving conflicts. We help you come up with a plan for resolving conflicts. If a couple cannot freely discuss any subject, no matter how personal or difficult, the marriage is going to be in a struggle. In marriage coaching, you will work with a trained coach to foster communication and conflict resolution skills that you can carry with you long into your relationship. Good communication skills aren't enough to keep a marriage healthy, but without them, the chance of success in any other area is diminished. Now, a crucial topic: money, finance. You will get real about money. We all know that money has a way of ruining marriages. So, to prevent future financial fights, you lay out all your money thoughts in the premarital coaching. It is a very personal topic, and each partner is going to have a different relationship to money. There should be no secrets or shame around money in a healthy marriage. Getting clear on each other's money story, past, present financial history, and the common future goals and intentions can help a couple avoid this common relationship pitfall. For example, one partner wants to invest aggressively in stocks, the other may be conservative in the approach to investing. Topic 5, let's talk about sex, baby. You'll speak about sex with your partner. Like money, intimacy is a highly personal issue, and most couples run into intimacy issues at some point or the other in the marriage. I have seen in my 20 plus years of practice enough couples coming to us with marriages about to break because of sexual issues. Some couples have not even had sex up to 5-7 years after marriage. Contrary to popular belief, sex doesn't come naturally to everybody. N number of couples reach out to me for help regarding their sexual issues from all over India. Talking about sex opens the door to be able to develop a healthy and fulfilling physical relationship. Pre-marriage coaching guides you delicately to navigate the choppy waters of sexuality. Now comes a key topic which can make or break a marriage: communication. You will talk about talking. Open and direct communication are key ingredients in any marriage, especially if you and your partner have different ways of communicating. Premarital coaching will be advantageous in helping you discover your communication styles and how they affect your marriage. If one partner is comfortable with expressing anger, but for the other it is a catastrophe, then it will end up in the partners having a wall in the marriage. Also, learning to listen is a very important part of communication. And all these tools are shared in our coaching program. And finally, we come to the most sensitive topic: kids. Yes, you will discuss your feelings on children. You may not believe it, but amazingly, many couples never really talk about having children. It is very important to talk about how many children you want, what is your parenting style going to be, your extended family's involvement in raising your children, and so on. Helping you as a couple to understand and define the issues between you and your partner makes you and your marriage better prepared. So guys, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and tell your friends who are about to get married to visit my website www.thesacredvows.com. Thank you and have a happy married life.